So now I'll just repeat on whatever we learned today. So today you learned the print function and what it does. You learned how to display text. You learned that numbers don't need quotes because numbers are integer and text are strings. About integer and strings, I'll explain it in a different tutorial. So we also learned how to do math in Python. Let's say 20 plus 10 divided by 3 times 40 minus 80. So when I run, let's see, the answer is 73.33333333334. And we also learned variables. Let's say var equals hello. And then when I run the code, nothing will show up. So I have to actually call the variable. So I do print var. Then I run. And hello. Okay. And at the end, we learned how to connect words to sentences or letters to words. Let's say hell plus hello plus were plus old. So when I run the code, it will print hello world.